So if you're like me and using Nvidia Geforce Experience, you may have just been lucky enough to encounter an error where if you try and record anything, it records your secondary monitor. This has been happening to me for the last couple months, and I actually had to switch to Streamlabs in order to record anything on my fucking primary monitor, and I think I just now found a fix for it. So at first I was trying everything. I was trying to go into Nvidia control panel. I tried going into just my regular display settings and fucking around with stuff on there. Tried searching YouTube videos on the issue. Tried deleting System 32, but nothing worked. And then at that point I was just like, fuck it, I'm gonna try my own thing and see how it goes. Just keep in mind this may not be a fix for everyone. This is just what worked for me in my own personal experience. So both of my monitors are plugged into my graphics card using DisplayPort cables, and my graphics card has 3 DisplayPort slots. So what I did is I unplugged both of the cables from my GPU, and I literally just flip-flopped the cables. That's all I did. I just flip-flopped where they were plugged in. And then I just turned my computer back on. I went and hit the record button to see what it would record, and I went and looked back on it, and alakadam, it actually recorded the shit on my primary monitor. So yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened. I haven't done anything with my monitor since I've built my new PC, which was a year ago. So I don't even know why this issue came up in the first place, but hopefully this is a fix for everyone who's been having this problem. Oh yeah, and sorry I didn't make this video 10 minutes long. I'll have to work on that next time. But really that's about it. Hopefully this works for everyone. Later, guys.